Modi will launch a special exhibition on Bapu Ko Karyanjali, re-envisioning the Champaran Satyagraha on its 100th anniversary in New Delhi today. In a series of tweets, Prime Minister Modi said the Champaran Satyagraha was a historic mass movement which had a phenomenal impact and urged the countrymen to become Swachhgrahis and create a Swachh Bharat. The exhibition will also showcase the ground covered by the Swachh Bharat mission in creating a mass movement towards a clean India. In Bihar too, several events are lined up to mark the occasion. This year marks the centenary of the very first Satyagraha of Gandhiji in Champaran. On this occasion, National Archives in New Delhi is organizing a grand function, and digital exhibitions will be put up across the country, along with several events lined up at many places in Bihar which have some connection with Gandhiji's Satyagraha movement.
वो एक पहला एक्सपेरिमेंट था गांधी जी का इंडिया में सत्याग्रह का, और सक्सेसफुल रहा। और इसके बाद गांधी जी के जीवन काल में, जो कि कोइंसाइड करता है इंडिया के फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल से, वो एक ये जो चंपारण का जो एलिमेंट था ये बार बार आता रहा। नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट में भी आया, सिविल डिसोबीडियंस में भी आया, इसके बाद क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट में भी आया।
During the Champaran Satyagraha, the place where Mahatma Gandhi was stopped on his very first journey was Chandrahia, and now Chandrahia is on the road to progress. It is believed that after coming to this place, the simplicity of Bapu was awakened, and now when the centenary of this Satyagraha is being commemorated, local people are visibly excited.
पूरा चंपारण को इस पर गर्व है कि गांधी जी हमारे यहाँ आए और इस जगह पर आके हम लोग को गौरवान्वित, चंद्रहिया में आके हम लोग गौरवान्वित किए।
उन्होंने यहाँ आ करके हमारे सुख दुख दर्द को समझा और यहाँ के लोगों को चंपारण सत्याग्रह के लिए प्रेरित किया।
The celebrations marking the centenary of the Champaran Satyagraha will be held by all social groups and political parties, and the atmosphere is charged with Bapu's footprints from Delhi to Champaran. With Kumar Alok in Motihari and Bikramjit Singh in Delhi, Bureau Report, DD News.